Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add font or text in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open Picsart.com, and what you need to do is log in to your account. Now go to text option and click it. Now you can add text or you can search for any fonts you want. Let's suppose I want Old English, so I'll tap on Old English, and here are a lot of Old English fonts available. These are premium fonts, so if you don't want premium fonts, you can just tap on free and then apply filters. You can see that this one is free, so I'll tap on it, and then you can see the add text option here. So we can write whatever you want, and then we can add this, and then we can save this. If we click on export, it will be exported according to your want. So you can even rename it, and then we can change the file type as well. So after that, we will go and download it. You can see that you need to log in, so go ahead and log into your account. You can see that this image has been downloaded and the text or font has been added to it. So this was a video on how you can add font or text in Picsart. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.